Upon selecting a product that the merchant would like to sell, the mockup generator is initialized. This is where you can create a design as well as view it in 3D. We are constantly working on new features, revisiting existing ones, as well as tuning up the user interface so it improves the usability of the mockup generator. Our vision is that in near future the mockup generator would be the only tool necessary to make a design both for professional designers as well as users with no previous designing experience. There are various challenges for the mockup generator when trying to create a tool that can be used by all of the products in the catalog, especially when taking into account that there are multiple printing techniques used for these products, as well as the means of manufacturing. For me personally, it's interesting to create new designing features that will be used by merchants in the future, as well as evolving our product to become one of the best tools in the market.